Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
I'm Olivia Ongere
And I'm Neema Mumbi. So today we're gonna be telling you our hustle stories in Kenya, our first jobs and all that.
Yeah, in Kenya, Nairobi, Kenya. Okay guys, so my first job that I ever got was as promotional jobs. If you live in Kenya, you know them, whereby you
activations.
Yeah, you promote products.
What did you promote?
My first one was with Safaricom. So but it really it was nice. So I remember I was still in uni and I told my mom, so tuliunda njaro na my mom. I told him because if I would have told my dad, he will not have accepted. So I just told my mom, oh, I've gotten a side hustle, The good thing, it was on Friday, Saturday, Sunday at Sarit Center, I can't forget. So we used to be paid 1,000 bob per day plus lunch. Lunch used to be, you give the receipt of the amount that you have. It used to be 200 bob or 300, 200 bob. But you must produce a receipt that you have eaten. So I remember we used to go fake receipts. We even made friends with those people in the mall. You just go, they fake for you a receipt, and then you go give out your money.
I'm sure that you have eaten.
Yeah, so that money is what we used to use as our fare. So I did it, but I really enjoyed it. It was really nice. We used to stand outside Sarit Center with those two Safaricom, what are they called?
Flyers.
Yes, the flyers. Yes, with the flyers you give people. It was Safaricom Open Day.
Yeah.
So we used to stand outside Sarit Center giving people flyers, imagine. So yeah. And I really enjoyed it. I made new friends. It was so awesome. I didn't even know how the 3 days went. So we did it for like, was it 2 weeks, 2 or 3 weeks? It was Friday, Saturday, Sunday for 2 weeks or 3 weeks. I really enjoyed. They paid us. You know, there's some promotional work you do and they don't pay you. So they paid us and I really enjoyed it. I made new friends.
Okay.
Yeah, so that was my first job.
So for me, I also did promotional jobs or activation or BAs, whatever you call them. I did for Safaricom as well, Neon Kika. I did for Kenya Airways.
Wow.
40% discount.
Wow.
Then I did a number of them. Many, I did a lot, by the way. I stopped looking for job because I started doing those things after not long ago.
I was still in uni.
I started doing them after uni. So like, I gave up on looking for a serious job. I kind of enjoyed those small jobs. You get money, you spend.
Especially if you're paid.
Yeah, you are paid well, by the way. Like if you're paid 2,000 in a day, that's a lot of money. I even look for those jobs. Maybe if I can get a job that I can do during the weekend when I'm free, super.
Yeah.
So my first job was with Angels. Angels, this hair company with a Korean person. Now the way they select their employees, they just select you according to your appearance. I don't know what they look at anyway. But there are people who normally stay outside. They're waiting for the day that Korean man will come out and start picking people. So I was under 18 when I worked for them.
So, and they took you in?
Yeah. In fact, that day they were looking for young. They were looking for young people, I guess. They never asked for my ID because I never had one. So they came. I remember I was the first person to be picked. So that's how I got to the Korean job. I worked for it was good money, by the way.
It's normally good money.
Good money for a young person.
Yeah, because you don't have responsibilities by then. Because like me, I remember my first salary, like I gave my mom almost half of it. The other half, I think I bought myself clothes. Like I didn't have much responsibilities then. So after now I finished uni. So I got another promotion job. So this one was for Orchid Valley. Yeah, those of you who did that, maybe if you watch this, if you happen to watch this, it was Peptang. Peptang was the company. And then we used to do the promo for Orchid Valley, the juice. They were just introducing the juices then. So I remember my friend just called me and told me, hey, are you at home? Could you be interested? There is a job somewhere. And I was like, yeah, on it. So by this one now, this time round, I involved my dad because I was done with uni and I was just at home. So I told him, he gave me fare. So this one was hectic. We used to go to town, Aga Khan walk. If
You
have
must
done
have met at Aga Khan.
yeah, if you have done promotional jobs, you know Aga Khan walk. That is where almost all the promoters always meet. So we used to go to Aga Khan. That one was hectic because we used to be given samples there, like boxes. You're given like 2 boxes, and then they don't give you transport to reach where you're going. Like you're given like 2 boxes, and then they tell you, you go to this supermarket. Maybe it's in town, maybe it's in Galleria, maybe it's in Ngong
You're
Road,
not given
Prestige.
transport.
You're not given transport, so you are the one to know how you'll get there with those boxes. Hey, that one was hectic.
And how much are you paid?
We are being paid 1,500 per day.
1,500 per day, and
Yeah.
you're not given transport.
You know,
Are you given lunch?
no, you sort
Me,
yourself out.
The least I've ever been paid was, I guess, 2,000.
Oh, us were being given 1,500. So
Was it? I remember, yeah. Because with Safaricom, I was supposed to be paid 1,500 plus the allowances. It was totaling up to 2,300, I guess.
So that was the most hectic part. And then the other thing, standing the whole day. Now we used to be 2 per supermarket. So when your partner is out for lunch, you're there standing. Like they should not miss someone there. I even remember, it used to be hectic.
Standing.
The whole day. Giving samples to people, telling them, hey, we have a new product, these are the advantages. When you buy this, it's cheaper. You know, such things. So the most hectic part about that job was standing the whole day. From morning to evening. You're not supposed to be found sitting down.
Yeah.
I used to get home, I used to get tired.
The worst job
I'm
is
so
a supermarket
tired.
job. Hannah.
Promotional, hey.
Even supermarket job. You
There
even
is a
said
time
that.
I wanted to give up, and my dad told me, no, you're not quitting that job.
Gosh.
Yeah, I woke up one day and I told my dad, me, I'm tired. I don't want to go back there anymore. My dad told me, no, you finish what you started. So I just had to go back. Hey, I used to get tired.
Happened to me.
Standing the whole day, and then I remember.
I can relate, by the way.
I remember one day, like a lady was there, and then the lady was shopping with the kid. You know, now I'm there, I'm trying to give
Talk
the
to
kid,
her.
yes, talk to her. Do you know what that lady told the kid?
No.
Work hard in school so that you don't disturb people while doing their shopping. I was like, whoa, wait a minute. Do you know that I'm a graduate? I'm doing this, it's a hassle. Anyway, guys, don't judge people by when you see those people out there doing promotions, don't think that they have not gone to school. You see
They're
that,
trying and
yeah, that
give
is
them a chance.
that is what most people always assume.
Yeah, because even me, while I was in uni, every long vacation, I made sure I got a job.
Yeah, but people assume you have not gone to school, you're just there. Hey, imagine, but that thing really hurt me, and it has never left my mind up to date. That work hard in school so that you don't disturb people while doing their shopping. I was like, wow, really?
Okay, me, I also did a supermarket job. I looked for one, but standing, I stood for
standing
2
is
weeks.
hard. Woo!
2 weeks, I gave up on that job, and my dad told me the same thing Olivia's dad told her.
I think they were
But
trying to
me,
tackle us.
I did not listen to him.
My dad told me, no, you're not
stayed
quitting.
for 2 weeks, and I asked the person for the money I've worked for.
Yeah, that's my story.
You have never done any other crazy job? Okay, me, I've ever done activation for juicy fruits. If you've ever seen people wearing
Wow, in
yellow
town.
things
Yes, in town.
You've ever seen?
Yes.
I was part of that crew.
And
the worst part is we were never paid. Oh my God.
But then there are some you do and you're not
Those
paid.
people never pay. There are agencies in Nairobi you should watch out for. They don't pay.
You do for them promotion and then they don't pay
Youth
you.
Dynamics, they never paid our money.
Hey, I was, but then me mind they
Up
paid
to
us.
date, I always remember them. The best one was,
But it was a nice experience. I made new friends up to date. I
Yeah,
still
we
talk to
still
some
friends.
of them,
Even me.
imagine. Yeah, it was a
still
nice
talk about
experience, by
her.
the way.
it was the best.
If you have done promotional work, comment down below. Tell us.
Tell us, and the agencies that don't pay,
Yeah.
Wamulike, they should pay.
They should pay people, but they're standing the whole day trying to promote their products. It's not easy. Yeah.
So that's it for today. Tell us your stories.
Your first job.
Yeah.
How was it? Were you paid?
Thank you guys. Bye.